don't know what he's doing. Titty. Titty. What are you doing? What if you take the shoes out the bag?
I might not get a bag. Is he gonna stick his face?
He's trying to kill himself.
I don't understand.
Not like this, Titty. Not like this. Why is he trying to commit suicide?
Or reproduce.
I don't know. But he can't breathe in that plastic bag.
He like he trying to mate with the shoe.
I think it's sick.
And he purring.
He's really enjoying it.
I think I got titty high.
What?